Good morning, children. Today we will read a lesson in moral science, that is, never find fault with others. To find fault with others is a very bad habit. So nobody is perfect. Your friend may have some bad points. You also may have some. So we should not tease anybody. So here in this lesson we will learn that we should never tease anyone. Tease means we should never make fun of. So we will learn a story about Kavita, who used to have a very bad habit of teasing her friends. She used to always find faults with others instead of seeing her own faults. So here we will find out how her grandmother changed her bad habit of teasing her friends. So one day her grandmother saw her teasing one of her friends. Grandmother called Kavita and told her the story of an elephant who find faults with others. So her grandmother, in order to make her realize, means Kavita, her bad habit, that she, instead of finding fault, she told her the story of an elephant named Appu, who was also having bad habit of finding fault with others. So Appu, the fault finder. So there lived an elephant named Appu in a jungle. He used to tease the animals. He used to say to the bear, "How dark you are, just like coal." And to the monkey he said, "How idiotic you look." See, the elephant, instead of seeing his own appearance, he used to tease the bear that he is as dark as a coal. And to the monkey he said, "How foolish he is." So now let's find out how he teases the other animals. Now, Appu, in the same manner, he used to tease all other animals for his appearance. To the vixen he said, decided to teach Appu a lesson. So vixen is what? A female fox. So on the way, one day he said, "Dear Appu, you are so busy finding faults of others. Have you ever thought of your own faults?" Appu said angrily, he got anger. "My faults? What do you mean?" The vixen said, "Everybody on this earth has one or the other fault. So instead of finding other faults, it is better to look at your own faults." So the vixen said to the elephant, "Well, Appu, you are having a very bad habit of finding fault with others. So instead of seeing into others' appearance and finding faults, you first see yourself, that how you look. Look at yourself. You will find that your body is so big, your eyes are so small, ears are so big, and your trunk, how it hangs down." So the vixen made him realize that, "Appu, you are an elephant. You are having a very strange appearance. Your eyes are small, your ears are big, and your trunk is hanging down. So first see yourself." On hearing this, Appu was very angry. He went to the pond. There he saw his image in the pond. He felt that vixen had said the right. He understood that he was wrong. So grandmother then said, "Today I saw you teasing your friends. It is a bad habit. So we should try to become good human beings." So the grandmother, by telling this story of Appu, made her realize that instead of teasing others, we should not tease, but we should try to improve and encourage them by telling good words. So Kavita then promised her that she would never tease anyone and would try to become a good human being. So children, instead of finding faults and finding out mistakes in others, we should first see ourselves and judge ourselves, that how good we are and how we can improve ourselves than our friends. So what is the thought of the day that we learn from this story? That we must keep yourself busy with improving and developing your own life, so that you have no time for criticizing others. So by this we learn that we should not waste our time by criticizing others, by finding faults in others. Instead of that time we should utilize to manage and find out how we should do and improve ourselves. Thank you.